Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by choosing shutter speed to control motion capture deliberately. Use 1/1000s or faster to freeze fast action like bikes or birds. For creative blur, use slower speeds such as 1/30s to 1/60 while panning the camera smoothly. Match your panning speed to the subject so the subject stays sharp and the background streaks convincingly. Use bursts to increase your chance of a perfect frame during panning. Stabilize your lower body and move from the hips to keep motion fluid and repeatable. Set your autofocus mode to continuous AF or AFC to track moving subjects reliably. Assign back button focus to separate focusing from the shutter release for more control. Choose a high frame rate or burst mode to capture multiple frames during critical moments. Adjust exposure by raising ISO and using a wider aperture, such as f/2. 8. To maintain faster shutter speeds in low light. Balance depth of field against shutter speed needs to keep essential features of the subject in focus. Compose with clear separation between subject and background to emphasize motion and reduce distractions. Use longer focal lengths, for example 70-200 mm, for distant subjects and tighter framing on action. Consider a monopod or firm hand brace to stabilize heavier lenses during extended tracking. Practice the panning motion and rehearse tracking with predictable subjects before live events. After shooting, quickly cull, selects, and apply targeted sharpening while controlling noise from higher ISO settings to preserve detail in moving subjects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.